I would like to take this opportunity to invite you all to join us in Cape Town from the 23rd to the 26th of March for our annual Isaps meeting. This year will be an Isaps course, and we have a wonderful faculty of Aris Sterodimus from Greece, Hisham Al-Minawi from Egypt, Bernd van der Ley from the Netherlands, Kemal Senura from Turkey, Akin Yusal from Turkey, and Alexandra Aslani. Jeremy Gardner will join us again for his annual Investic talk, and by popular request we will be concentrating on breast and body. The 23rd will be workshops, and the 26th will have sessions on ethics and medical legal by Marshall Murdoch and Dirk Lazarus and specialists. We will also concentrate on fillets versus biomodulators, and Eastern Sun Events will be doing the logistics. The trade are very excited about this, and we will have a number of them present with demonstrations and workshops. Please join us for this exciting meeting. Thank you.